Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and today we're diving into the topic of manifesting money using your mind, emotions, body, and spirit. It's possible to attract financial abundance from every angle of your being. This video will help you align all aspects of yourself to attract money with ease. So let's get into it. Let's start with the mind. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful when it comes to manifesting money. The first step is to get clear on what you want and to train your mind to focus on abundance rather than lack. Positive thinking is key to aligning your energy with wealth. So start by creating a clear mental image of the financial life you want to create. Imagine yourself already having the money you desire, whether it's paying off debt, traveling the world, or enjoying financial freedom. Visualize your goals every day. The more you can see it in your mind, the more the universe will align with that vision. Now let's talk about your emotions. The way you feel about money plays a huge role in what you attract into your life. If you feel stressed, anxious, or negative about money, you're likely to push it away. But when you feel abundant, grateful, and positive, you're in alignment with the flow of wealth. So start by practicing gratitude for what you already have. When you feel grateful for what you have, the universe responds with more. So focus on feeling good about money. If thoughts or feelings about lack of scarcity come up, gently shift them away by thinking of the abundance you already have. This will help you align with a positive energy and manifest more money. Also, take time to manage stress. The more relaxed you are, the more you allow the flow of money into your life. Practices like deep breathing, yoga, or simply going for a walk can help you calm your nervous system, and this will help you stay in an abundant emotional state. Now let's talk about the body. Money is energy, and just like any form of energy, it also needs to move. So the more you get your body moving in a state of vitality, the more you can magnetize wealth. Your physical energy plays a huge role in manifesting your financial goals. So start by noticing now how your body feels when you think about money. Are you tense, tight, or do you feel light and free? If you notice any tension, gently release it. When you move your body, whether through dancing, exercise, or just stretching, you invite more energy to flow, and that includes the energy of money. Now, spending time in nature or connecting with the earth is also incredibly grounding. The earth is full of abundance, and by connecting with it, you open yourself to receiving the wealth that is naturally all around you. So please take care of your body, move it, and feel energized as you step into the flow of money. Finally, let's talk about your spirit. Your spirit is your connection to the universe, to source energy, and to the divine abundance that's available to all of us. So when you align your spirit with your financial goals, you tap into the unlimited flow of money that's available in the universe. So spend time connecting with your inner self, whether that's through meditation, prayer, or just sitting in silence. Allow yourself to feel connected to the greater flow of life. Trust that the universe is always conspiring in your favor, or that you are worthy of abundance. When you align your spirit with abundance, money will come to you naturally. Now, rituals and ceremonies can also help you connect with your spiritual energy. For example, light a candle and ask the universe for the financial support you need. The act of setting an intention while in a peaceful meditative state can be incredibly powerful in manifesting money. So there you have it, manifesting money with your mind, emotions, body, and spirit. By aligning all four of these areas, you create a powerful magnetic energy that will attract abundance into your life. So remember, money is energy. So when you raise your vibration in all areas of your life, the universe will respond with financial abundance. So if you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start manifesting more money, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who could use a little more abundance in their life. So thanks for watching. Stay magical, and may the wealth flow to you.